Teach me in 10. A quick 10-step guide on the art of candle making. Here we go. Step 1. Gather your materials. Collect all the necessary materials for candle making, including candle wax, wicks, a double boiler or melting pot, a thermometer, fragrance oils, color dyes, a pouring pot, and containers for your candles. Step 2. Prepare your work area. Ensure you have a clean and well-ventilated workspace. Cover the surface with newspaper or a protective layer to catch any spills or drips. Step 3. Melt the wax. Melt the candle wax using a double boiler or a melting pot. Place the wax in the top pot or bowl and heat it gently over low to medium heat until it reaches the desired temperature. Use a thermometer to monitor the wax temperature. Step 4. Add fragrance and color. If you want scented or colored candles, add fragrance oils or color dyes to the melted wax. Follow the recommended usage guidelines for the specific products you are using, as the quantity may vary depending on the brand. Step 5. Prepare the containers. While the wax is melting, prepare your candle containers by attaching the wicks. Place the wick at the center of each container, using a wick sticker or a small dab of melted wax to secure it in place. Ensure the wick is centered and straight. Step 6. Pour the wax. Once the wax has reached the desired temperature and any additives are mixed in, carefully pour it into the prepared candle containers. Fill them to the desired level, leaving some space at the top for any decorative elements or a second pour if needed. Step 7. Cool and set. Allow the candles to cool and set undisturbed. This process may take several hours, depending on the size of the candles and the ambient temperature. Avoid moving or disturbing the candles during this time to ensure a smooth finish. Step 8. Second pour. If there are any sinkholes or cavities that form as the wax cools and contracts, you can perform a second pour to fill them. Simply remelt a small amount of wax and pour it into the cavities until they are level with the rest of the candle surface. Step 9. Trim the wicks. Once the candles have completely cooled and solidified, trim the wicks to approximately a 1/4 inch above the wax surface. This will help the candle burn evenly and reduce the risk of excessive smoke or soot. Step 10. Enjoy and share. Your homemade candles are now ready to be enjoyed or shared with others. Light them up, bask in their warm glow, and revel in the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and aromatic. Remember to always follow safety precautions during candle making, such as working in a well-ventilated area, using appropriate heat-resistant equipment, and never leaving candles unattended while lit. Happy candle making. Like, comment, subscribe. Teach me in 10.